Huh. Time to just play Roblox. Actually, let's just check my Roblox on TikTok accounts.
POV when I took away his toys.
Dang it, my videos didn't get any single views. Let's just go ahead and play Roblox. I heard there's a construction going on at Brookhaven. Yep, you can see it says mysterious new construction zone. Currently, right now it will happen in 5 days. Hold up, I need to go charge my phone. Because sometimes I don't want my phone to die. Like completely broke. My phone is alright. I just dropped it on the floor. This is work sitting progress. See it live in 5 minutes. So there's apparently a construction site. I never heard of this. Especially once I know it. I know. Here's my maxi. Construction ahead. You go under the bridge. See, look. You can see a construction site. It used to not have there, but I'm assuming they might have used this as well. Currently says complete under construction. The construction will be completed in 5 days. Hold on, let me see. I want to see once on 5 days. Gotta go to Chrome. It's telling me I need to go to Chrome. Can't find it. Can't find it. Hold up. Am I muted? Okay. Okay, I'm only 5 more days until we can see what. And also, I turned out a notification for the day when this thing is arrived. I'll see you tomorrow. I'll see you later.